Bliss! Welcome for our new subscribers and welcome back for my subscribers and my friends. It's me. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I'm back to my happy place. This is my happy place. This community is my happy place. And thank you so much for waiting and for understanding that I need to take a break for a while to make my work schedule and then my YouTube schedule and my life be coordinating with each other. It's quite hard really for to balance it because it's new to me that to having a full-time job. So anyway, without further ado, let's start. What we have here is our paychecks. So this salary is my combination of my salary and my husband's salary, which is only my husband's salary is about for 2 to 3 weeks because the rest is unpaid leave. So at the moment that I film this today is August 9 and he's still in the Philippines and he will celebrate his birthday there and come back next month. So that's why. So this 3,000 is shared by my second daughter. So the total amount of this is 28,400. So for our expenses, including our mandatory savings, which is paying for our hard work. So the total amount is 24,090. And then for our credit card bills is 1,960. And what's left is 2,350. So if we calculate this, I already calculate this down. I'm doing a zero-based budgeting. So I just want to show you if you don't know what zero-based budgeting is. So minus 2490 minus 1960. So the excess after paying the bills and our living expenses and some saving challenges is what's left is 2,350 with which will go to our sinking fund. But the money is still here. I haven't separated yet. So this one minus 2350. So all the paychecks will be allocated and the total amount here is zero. So it means it's a zero-based budgeting. You know where your money goes. So let's start counting the money first. So 2,000 is a prop money because this money is already in the bank. 2,000 plus I cannot do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21,500 plus this one is 1,000. This one is 1,000 each. So it's 1, 2, 3, 3,400. And this one is 500, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 500. This one is 500 also. No, 500. Wait, 1. Then 1. Hold on. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 500. So the money here is 27,900. Why? So if you deducted it into our total paycheck or income, so there's a 400 deduction. because I already gave it to my mom. Right, so let's start cash stopping now. So for our bills binder, this prop money will go to our savings. This is our payment for ourselves, for our hard work, and it's already in the bank. I just want to show you how I do it. That's why. So the total amount of this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8,300 now. Yay! And next one is rent. Our rent is still the same. It's 8,900. Let's do it this way because I don't want to mix up the old and count with me. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I do if every time I do a cash stuffing video and some service charges, I feel nervous. So how about you? Okay, let's recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,500. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very old money. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8, 9. Okay, 8,900. So for remittance is for my mother-in-law. So 750. And for my husband, so I need to send him money. So I allocated 2,500 for him as his allowance because I'm the one who's holding all our accounts. So I need to send him money for his allowance there. So 2,500, and I will send it together with my mother's-in-law my allowance too. So how much is that? 25 plus 750. So the total is 3,250. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's correct. So for my credit card, let's see, let's check. It's 860. 1, 2, 3. 860. Hopefully, I will not use it much this month. For my husband, it's 1,100. So if you use your credit card, please pay the bill in full if you can. For me, I always pay it in full, so that's why I know how to handle it well, I think. But as you can see, I always pay it in full. So if you have a credit card or if you want to have a credit card in the future, don't just pay the minimum charge. Make sure that you have a money to pay for the full amount so that it will not be a trap for you or for anyone who was using it. All right, it's just I'm saying. Okay, next one for electricity bill. Actually, our electricity been paid, but this one is for the next payment. So I just put it here, 900. 900. And forward water bill It's 200. So our water bill came after every 3 months. So this is like I do it as an installment way because I don't want to pay the full amount in 1 month and ruin my budget. So every month I allocated a certain amounts to cover up the bills. So for gas or propane, it's 300. Okay, this binder is finished. And let's move on to another one, which is our daily binder, or let's say weekly. Oh, there's extra money here. Anyway, this money is an extra. So this miscellaneous will go to all my saving challenges for emergency fund, which is Emergent B. This one for this one is I will put on my other saving challenges, the monthly and yearly saving challenges. So just wait for that. I'll just move it on a side. This leftover where I put this. So let's just put it at the back. Maybe I'll come down that one. So let's replenish this binder. So for miscellaneous, I allocated here 100. So for hobby, it's says here right 2,500, which I already put on the remittance because I will send it to him. I'll just repeat again. So this so for food, I allocated here 2,000. So for each week, there's a 500 for each week for the food, wet market, meats like that. But I forgot to tell you that the period of this one or duration is from starting from August 12th to September 7th, because I always wait for the salary to come first before I allocated our paycheck. So for groceries, it's the same. It's 2,000. It's also 500 a week. So 1, 2, 3, 4. For dining out, it's 500. Dining out or takeaway or eating out. So for phone bills is 650. And that's it for this one. And for my allowance, let's put this one into saving challenges binder so that I'll not be confused. For my allowance is 1,000. One, two, three, 4, 5. I just put it in my wallet. So 700 or 800 of this one is for my transportation, for bus fare or subway fare, and the others will gonna be for my food allowance, my coffee, tea, and then if I want to buy some saving challenges in Etsy, yeah, and then the rest is also there's also a buffer here. So I'll just put it right here. And this one, hopefully it's 2,000. What else? Oh, for my month ahead. Month ahead rent. One, two, 4. Just hang on. I need to get my month ahead binder. I just cut this one out first. Hold on. So here you go. I forgot to get it. For my month ahead rent, you'll be happy. I will be happy about this. So for my rent is 8,900, but I made my month ahead rent 9,000. So what I have here is 7,000 minus 7,600, and then I allocated here 1,400 this month. So it means I fully allocated my rent ahead. Yay! I'm really happy. I just need to do it, to do this one. You know why? Because next month, or this month, my husband is unpaid for the whole month, so I need to fully pay this as if there's an extra money. So this is fully funded now. Yay! So let's count this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, 8, 8, 9. 9,000! Yay! So some of the money here is already in the bank. So this one gonna be goes to the bank and use it next month. Let's see. Yay! So only what's left here, which is not fully funded, is food, groceries. I will start now with the food, groceries. For water, it's fully funded, I think. Yeah, yeah. I want to show it to you, but let's see, just a preview. For electricity, there's 1,500 here. Supposed to fully funded here is 2,000, but it's okay. This is fully funded. Phone bill for funded, internet fully funded. Yay! So I need to just do the electricity, food, groceries to be fully funded. My first month ahead. Yay! Sorry, I'm so excited that I do it. I finish it. So the rest of this one, just hang on. This variations. Hopefully it's completed and I put it on my sinking fund binder. This is one of my sinking fund binder, and the rest you will see it later on. So let's see. 1,000, 1,005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000, 2,001, 2, 3. What's I missing? I think I missed something. Oh, all right. I know now. For the saving challenges, 390, I think. Saving challenges, yeah, 390. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah. Now, my concentration mix up because I'm so happy that I fully funded my rent ahead. So let me cool down first. Ha. 100, 200, 300, and 90. Okay, 390. So we'll go to my saving challenges. Let's just put it here first, also at the back. This going to the weekly saving challenges that I'm doing, the butterfly. So the rest will go to sinking fund. Let's recount. 1, 1,500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 plus 1, 150 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 100. Yeah, so it's 2,350 for the sinking fund, which you will see the video. I will film the video later on. So for now, this is the end of my video, and I hope you learned something from it. And I hope you have a good day. And before you left, or if you reach this end of the video, thank you so much. and give me a happy emoji. And thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. Thank you so much, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be grateful. Love you all. Bye. Be happy. Thank you.